you the stay has been granted, you cannot proceed. If you have any doubts, you can go to the district court or send your lawyer over there. Huh? I'll command that order.
आम्ही मासो ऑइली लांचन ब्रेक करूया आम्ही देडाक रिअसेंबल जाऊया समज तितक्या म्हणून तेंच्यांनी कितें हाडलें कोर्टाची स्टे हाडली तांकांय टायम बरें इश्यू नाका आर्ग्युमेंट करचें ना आमी देडाक परत हांगर जमा जातले मशिनरी हांगरूच आसतली बियान घेतले ते कितें जाएगा
आमचे न्हू मॅटर चलतली कोर्टान रिगार्डींग अ वर्कशॉप सो द मॅटर वॉज सब जुडाइज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कोर्ट द डेट वॉज गिवन on February 3rd. So without our information, Panchayat just in today, or that is on 9th, just informed us that the demolition squad is going to come for the demolition on the spot at around 9:50. They have not informed us anything prior. No, they told us that order is passed, nothing. I went and I pleaded with the secretary also. So secretary in the morning he told me just vacate the workshop, we are coming for demolition. But I requested him, sir, how it can be without the order we don't have. They are saying we cannot disclose the order. What is this? I cannot understand. If you all at night time, if we were sleeping and all, you all would have come and just demolition, and we would have sacrificed our life, without giving so much. I requested the secretary, just give us some time. I'm getting from the court, and thankfully my God was great for me, and we got the order granted. We got the stay order due to this.
ती प्रॉपर्टी कोणाली?
The property belongs to our landlord, Mr. Neil Lobo, but the dispute was going on. We had requested him humbly to give us the property, but unfortunately he is not ready to understand us.
Okay,
So the matter was going in the court.
प्रॉपर्टी
That's it.
किती बांधला तुम्ही असे?
Our workshop is there for 8 decades of ages. Okay, it is not right now, over decades. So after, I don't know how, and we were unaware of it, so we don't know also how, like, he brought the property in his name and all, everything we don't know, and this order also.
Okay,
That's
now
what. And that is my husband's this daily bread. Workshop is my husband's daily bread. And if you all are taking away this bread, what we are going supposed to do? Tell. So thankfully, fortunately, we got the stay order and we just stopped it.
नाव किती तुझं? नीता
Costa.
ओके थँक्यू.
ऑर्डर पास केली डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान ताजे नंतर बेज ऑन द ऑर्डर ऑफ द एडिशनल डायरेक्टर पंचायत लास्ट 8 months बॅक ऑर्डर पास जाली सो पंचायतीन तो स्कॉडाक धाडलेली सो एज पर दॅट आयज डेमोलिशन स्कॉड आयिल्लो डेमोलिशनाक आनी ताजे नंतर आमी डेमोलिशन स्टार्ट केलें डेमोलिशन स्टार्ट करता करता मागीर तेंचो लॉयर आयला आनी तेणें म्हणलें स्टे एप्लाय केला आनी स्टे ग्रँट जालें म्हणून एक पंचायतीन तांकां एक हाफ एन आवर दिलो टू सबमीट दॅट स्टे आनी ताजे नंतर आतां तेंच्यांनी स्टे सबमीट केल्या म्हणून आमी सद्या फर्दर प्रोसेस ऑफ डेमोलिशन होल्डार दवरला
कितें
जो ओनर ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी आसा तेणेन कंप्लेन केली 2023 इलिगल स्ट्रक्चर आसा तो पंचायतीन एक्शन घेवचें एनक्रोचमेंट. सो बेज ऑन दॅट आमी प्रोसेस स्टार्ट केलो एज पर द पंचायत राज एक्ट. आनी तो प्रोसेस कंप्लीट जावन डायरेक्टरान मागीर आमची ऑर्डर जी डेमोलिशन धाडली ती स्टँड केली आनी डेमोलिश करची म्हणून पार्टीक करून डायरेक्शन दिलें की 30 days जो स्ट्रक्चर इलिगल बांदला तो डेमोलिश करचो.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.